Hi, welcome to the MotoPress channel. This is Valerie, and today I'm here to show you how to integrate WooCommerce payment gateways with the MotoPress Hotel Booking plugin on your WordPress website using the Hotel Booking WooCommerce Payments add-on. If you want to offer your guests more payment options and go beyond the default gateways, this step-by-step guide is exactly what you need. Alright, let's get started. First, let's make sure you have the right toolkit in place. You should already have the MotoPress Hotel Booking plugin up and running. I also recommend checking the confirmation mode. Go to Accommodation, Settings. Under the General tab, make sure it's set to Confirmation upon payment. And of course, you'll need WooCommerce. So, before we move on, confirm that both plugins are installed and activated on your WordPress website. Alright, next step, install and activate the Hotel Booking WooCommerce Payments add-on. After downloading the plugin as a zip file, I'll install it using the upload plugin method. One quick note on compatibility. The Hotel Booking WooCommerce Payments add-on was recently updated and now offers improved compatibility with WooCommerce version 10. Great, the plugin is installed and activated, and we're ready to move on. Once the basic plugins are in place, let's move on to the next important step. For guests to pay using any WooCommerce gateway, you need to create a WooCommerce product that will be used for all bookings. So go to Products and create a new digital product. Start by giving it a name. Then set a price. This field is required. This price won't affect any accommodation rates on the site. It simply can be left empty, so you can enter something like 1. Next, look at the Publish box on the right side of the screen. Find Catalog Visibility, click Edit, and choose Hidden. Then click OK. This way, the product won't appear in your store catalog. That's especially important if your site sells other products as well, such items like souvenirs, equipment, or anything else. And you're using WooCommerce both for products and for bookings. And finally, don't forget to publish the product. Alright, now it's time to configure the WooCommerce payment gateway. Go to Accommodation, Settings, open the Payment Gateways tab, and select WooCommerce Payments. First, give this payment method a name. This is what guests will see on the checkout page. In my case, it's Mollie, and you can choose any option that WooCommerce supports depending on your location and your business needs. For example, Razorpay is widely used in India, and Mercado Pago is the largest digital payment platform in Latin America. Next, you can add a description. Here you might list all gateways you plan to offer at checkout. After that, select the WooCommerce product you created earlier for reservations. Optionally, you can enable these checkout endpoints. Next, you'll see the manual action required notice, and this is an email sent to the admin when the plugin can't process a booking automatically and needs your attention. If you'd rather handle these cases without email alerts, you can simply disable this notification, and once everything is set, save your changes. Now go to WooCommerce, Settings, Payments, and configure the payment gateways you need. There are 2 types of gateways here, built-in and external. Built-in options are available right away, and you'll find them under Take Offline Payments. Just click to open the settings. External gateways, on the other hand, require a bit more setup. And if you want to accept online payments, you'll need to use a payment gateway plugin. This can be a third-party plugin or WooPayments, WooCommerce own payment processor, which supports a wide range of payment options. When it comes to third-party solutions, there is a wide selection of free and paid options that let you integrate almost any payment gateway into your site. For this video, I've chosen Mollie, and you can go with any option if you prefer. Before we continue with the setup, there is one important requirement. Before configuring Mollie in WooCommerce, you need a Mollie account. This is where all payments are managed and where you'll find the API keys we'll use in the next step. To activate a payment method, click the blue plus icon next to it, and once it's activated, you'll see an exclamation badge. That means the method is enabled. One more thing to note, this account is currently in test mode because I want to make sure everything works correctly before going live with real payments. Okay, once your payment methods are set up, let's move on to the API keys. In the Mollie dashboard, open Developers, then go to API keys. Here you'll see both test and live keys. For now, we'll need the test API key. Back in WordPress, under WooCommerce settings, switch to Mollie settings, choose Test API mode, and paste the test API key. After saving the changes, check the connection status. It should show as successful. And under the payment methods, you'll see the currently active methods. This lets you verify that all payment options from your Mollie account are synchronized with the plugin. If you add more methods later, click the refresh button to sync them with WooCommerce. When we return to payments, you'll see the list of the same methods we just enabled. Great, now it's time to make a quick test booking with confirmation upon WooCommerce payment. After picking the dates, I click Reserve and check the booking details. Next, I select the number of adults, add the full guest name, and fill in all the required information. Finally, it's time to choose the payment method. I'll select Mollie, of course, and click Book Now. At checkout, I can pick which payment method to test first. This is test mode, so I can choose the payment status: paid, failed, cancelled, or expired. I'll go with paid. Great, my order has been received. Now let's check the inbox. The first notification comes from the Hotel Booking plugin, confirming that the reservation is approved. The second comes from WooCommerce, which also sends emails about new orders to both the website owner and the customer. So you as an admin and your guests may get two similar emails from different systems. If you want to avoid confusion, you can disable either WooCommerce or Hotel Booking email notifications. Here is how to disable WooCommerce notifications. Log into your dashboard, go to WooCommerce, Settings, Emails, click Manage next to New Order. Then uncheck Enable this email notification and save your changes. This stops WooCommerce from sending that specific email to customers or the admin. While we're still in WooCommerce, let's take a look at orders. We have a new one since we paid with WooCommerce. The order shows a processing status, which means the payment has been received. If you open the order, you can check all the details, including notes. When needed, you can manually change the order status to completed. And now let's look at the hotel booking site. Go to the bookings menu. Here we can see the booking status is confirmed. You can also check the logs. This helps you see exactly what actions were taken, any errors, or updates related to this booking. Next, let's visit payment history to make sure the payment status is completed. Perfect. Finally, it's a good idea to check the order details directly in your Mollie account to confirm everything is synced correctly. And that's it. Today we set up WooCommerce payment gateways in the MotoPress Hotel Booking plugin, and we started by installing the Hotel Booking WooCommerce Payments add-on, and then we created the required WooCommerce product and set up the new payment gateways. Finally, we completed a test booking to make sure payments are processed correctly before going live, and we also checked the emails, verified the order and booking statuses, and reviewed the payment history. Most importantly, you now know how WooCommerce can help expand the number of payment options that you can offer on your site, so now you can confidently offer multiple payment options to your guests. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the MotoPress channel, and ring the bell to get notified about the latest tutorials and updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.